So, yun pa yung isang tawag dyan, unit owners. No? So, ito siya. So, just to give you an example po. No? Magbibigay po kami sa inyo ng handout na to. So, ayan. To summarize, so if you have your production operations, no? These are the process owners. Ito yung objective natin, no? Dun sa process. Nandiyan yan siya. Then yung triggers. What are the input and output sources? And finally, yung output items and output process units, no? Sino-sino yung mga in charge, no? Ano yung sa first bawat process unit, sino yung process owner noon. Sa interviewing naman po, no, and map generation, we have this, no? So kita nyo sino yung responsible per process step at yung output ay kung saan pupunta. No? So ito siya, sample lang. So a few reminders lang po, no, when doing your process map. Number one, let's get the buy-in of your senior clients. Kasi kung wala ang buy-in po nila, mahihirapan tayo na mag-succeed yung project. And of course, set aside enough time. Para maging mas realistic, no, yung ating process map, mas accurate, you need to allot an ample amount of time for this. For interviews, no, so make sure yung privacy na ay yung nasusunod, no, para makuha nyo talaga yung kanilang response. Set a friendly tone, actively listen, no, and select the right review team. Also, we need to familiarize ourselves, no, with the following symbols. So number one is ano yung bilog na to. So normally yan yung inyong start process. Okay? Then ano ito naman connector lines na to, yung arrows, that is your next step, no?
Recording in progress.
So pag in-apply nyo siya dun sa example ng calamansi juice, this is how it looks. So you have the process start point. What is the first step? Second hanggang packaging dispatch. Then finally yung end. Then this is also yung to show you yung application ng dashed line, no? So ito siya. So sa receiving of supplies and materials, so meron niyang kadugsong na process. So ano yung kadugsong niyang process na yun? You have your purchasing. Kailangan may purchasing muna tayo, no? Before we can start yung ating process. So for obvious reasons naman yan. So hindi naman tayo makakagawa without the supplies, no? Then once okay na yung supplies, we have to inspect. So hold muna, no? Then inspect. What's the decision point? Ano yung decision question nyo? Are you going to accept or not?